1. A unique opportunity to own a true time capsule, a 1979 Lincoln Continental, presented for sale at an attractive price of $21,900. This magnificent car with a history, having covered only 28,641 miles, is now available for a new owner. The 1979 Lincoln Continental is on sale, featuring an automatic transmission, white exterior, and blue interior, making it an authentic find in exceptional condition. This car embodies the spirit of the era, making it the last of the great Lincolns. The car has covered only 28,641 miles and has been owned by one owner since new. Original stickers, sale documents, manuals, warranty card, and service checks are provided with the car. The car has been treated with anti-corrosion coating from day one and has been meticulously cared for. This car is equipped with the legendary 400 cubic inches V8 engine that pairs with an automatic transmission. The stunning original white paint retains its beauty, and the white vinyl top adds an extra touch of sophistication. The car possesses a sturdy, clean, and straight structure, featuring all the necessary Lincoln options, including power steering, disc brakes, power windows, central lock, climate control, 6-way power seats, vinyl visor, trunk mat, turbine spoke aluminum wheels, unique body stripes, tilt steering wheel, Lincoln tool kit, Cartier clock, and an exterior thermometer. The air conditioner provides a cool interior. The car impresses with its clean and sturdy lower metal frame. It perfectly supports the trunk, where the spare tire, jack, and lug wrench are located. Chrome, stainless steel, and bright details shine flawlessly. Original Lincoln turbine spoke aluminum wheels are complemented by new radial white tires. The interior, done in blue, leaves a delightful impression. Seats, door upholstery, dashboard, headliner, and carpets are in excellent condition. All the car's functions, including lights, gauges, high and low beams, indicators, turn signals, horn, emergency flashers, heater, air conditioner, radio, and even the Cartier clock, work as intended. Even the Cartier clock keeps accurate time. A new antenna, battery, tires, and fuel tank only add to the immaculate status of this wonderful car. In summary, the Lincoln Continental is an exceptionally clean, well-maintained, and wonderfully preserved specimen. This car not only offers a trip to the past, but also preserves it in the present. 2. A great opportunity for enthusiasts of rare cars, a 1978 Ford Thunderbird presented for sale at an affordable price of $5,950. This unique car with a history, having covered only 21,333 miles, is ready to delight its new owner. The 1978 Ford Thunderbird is available, equipped with an automatic transmission, blue exterior, and blue interior. It is a rarity with a center console and separate front seats. This car features a 351 V8 engine and includes amenities such as air conditioning, an AM/FM 8-track player, power-operated leather seats, and aluminum wheels. The car is attractive due to its rarity and unique design. It has new tires, a battery, ignition system, carburetor, and an aluminum radiator. While the original paint shows slight signs of aging, the vinyl top is in excellent condition. The interior of the car is in great shape, making it even more appealing to collectors. However, the seller honestly notes that transmission repair or replacement is required. Otherwise, the car is fully ready to start and move. This car is an excellent opportunity for those seeking a unique car with stunning style and restoration potential. 3. A great opportunity for classic car enthusiasts, a 1973 Pontiac Grandville Convertible, presented for sale at a reasonable price of $15,985. This beautiful car with a history, having covered only 37,315 miles, is ready to win the hearts of new owners. The 1973 Pontiac Grandville Convertible is available, equipped with an automatic transmission, beige exterior, and beige interior. It is a true gem among cars. It is equipped with a full set of options, including power convertible top, air conditioning, a powerful 455 cubic inch V8, and many other features. This car embodies the classic era and promises driving pleasure. With its powerful engine, full set of power options, and the icy cold of the air conditioner, it provides an opportunity to enjoy the fresh air throughout the year. In addition to technical specifications, it is important to note that the car shows no signs of rust or decay. The leather top with a clear rear window is in excellent condition. Although the car's paint is not flawless, the seller honestly points out that it is not a 100% show car, but an exceptionally good car for its many years, which can be easily elevated to a new level with minor investments, or simply enjoyed in its current state, as my father did for many years. Thus, the Pontiac Grandville Convertible is an opportunity for those looking for a stylish and unique car, ready for new adventures on the roads or at car shows. 4. Introducing a unique offer. The 1970 Chevrolet Nova, presented for sale at a price of $15,985. This car is a true drag car, ready to capture the hearts of speed and adrenaline enthusiasts. The 1970 Chevrolet Nova is now available for a new owner. This car has been completely reworked, featuring a ladder bar rear suspension, along with new parts and technologies to achieve high speeds on the track. It's worth noting that the car does not have a title. The ladder bar rear suspension and all new hind joints provide excellent traction on the road. The car's interior features an aluminum floor extending from the front to the rear post, and all windows are made of lightweight Lexan material. The front Key A1 shocks with adjustable 90/10 stiffness provide excellent handling. The Down a 60 rear axle with a strange Pro Series lightweight 35 spline locker and chrome moly yoke has a 4.56 gear ratio and an advanced aerodynamic braking system from Aerospace Components. The entire rear axle, including bearings and locker, has seen fewer than 50 runs. The powertrain includes a Power Glide engine rebuilt by Abruzzi specialists and a freshly cooled converter equipped with the Pro Brake signature brake and 1.8 planetary. Both have undergone fewer than 50 runs. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova offers a unique opportunity for those seeking a racing car with excellent suspension and cutting-edge technology. Get ready for an adrenaline-packed experience on the track with this racing car that leaves behind all limitations. 5. Step into the future with a unique offer. The 1950 Ford Coupe, presented for sale at $22,000. With only 49,900 miles on the odometer, this car is a true treasure for collectors, ready to conquer the roads of the present. The 1950 Ford Coupe, featuring a manual transmission, blue exterior and gray interior, is the perfect blend of style and performance. It's worth noting that the car has had only 2 owners and is fully paid off. This Ford Coupe not only lacks any signs of rust, but also handles delightfully on the road. The original flathead V8 engine, paired with a 3-speed column-shifted transmission, creates a unique and authentic driving experience. The functionality of the radio, lights, gauges, and other features makes it ideal for daily driving. This car is a true find for vintage car enthusiasts who appreciate history and aesthetics. The combination of reliability, originality, and outstanding exterior appearance makes it genuinely unique. However, undoubtedly, its most valuable feature is its rarity, turning it into a genuine artifact of its time. 6. I present to you an excellent offer. The 1985 Ford F150, which is now available for $6,700. This truck not only features the factory 300i6 engine, carburetor model, and factory 4-speed transmission with a factory air conditioner, requires topping off and belt replacement, but also represents a real find for those who appreciate the reliability and versatility of a truck. This Ford F150 has been a farm truck since it was sold new at Ruxer Ford dealership in Jasper, Indiana. The actual mileage of 80,000 confirms that the truck has been meticulously serviced at the local level. While the truck has its original paint, it's essential to note that it's not a show truck. There is some rust, dents, and scratches typical of a truck's use. The passenger front fender is slightly faded and requires polishing. Nevertheless, The interior looks and feels like new, with original floor mats. The mechanical part of the truck is in excellent condition due to regular maintenance. Recent replacements include oil and air filters, new hoses, thermostat, as well as new shocks, starter, battery, and terminals. Additionally, new brake calipers, master cylinder, and pads have been installed. The truck is equipped with a towing package with working trailer light connectors and brakes. The wheels have new tires sized 31 to 10.515 on factory chrome rims. The truck also features a new muffler, pipe, and fan clutch. This 1985 Ford F150 is not just a truck, it's a reliable and sturdy companion ready to tackle any task. The truck is free of rust on the floor, cabin mounts, frame, and cargo area. Everything is 100% robust and reliable. It's an excellent choice for those seeking a durable and trustworthy truck, ready for adventures on the roads. Owning it is not just a purchase, it's an investment in reliability and confidence on the road. 7. I present to you the stunning 1967 Ford Mustang, now available for purchase at $29,900. This car is a true gem for classic car enthusiasts, and its features make it genuinely unique. This 1967 Ford Mustang is in excellent condition and ready to capture the hearts of fans. It has a mileage of 50,000 miles, and despite its age, the car looks perfect. The body is painted in an attractive red color, giving it a stylish and elegant appearance. The interior is also crafted in red tones, creating a harmonious and memorable look. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this Mustang ensures easy and comfortable driving. Fuel for this beauty is gasoline, emphasizing its sporty character. The car comes with a clean title, attesting to its reliability and absence of significant damage or issues. Don't forget that the owners also provide services for the restoration and storage of classic cars. Their expertise in this field is undisputed, guaranteeing that you receive not only a beautiful car, but also reliable maintenance. It's worth noting that all sales are made as is, without warranties. Please pay attention to the deposit refund terms and the recommendation for inspection before purchase. These are important steps for your comfort and confidence in your choice. If you dream of a classic Ford Mustang with a beautiful history, without serious problems, and in excellent condition, this 1967 model may be exactly what you're looking for. Don't miss your chance to see and experience this magnificent car in person and add a touch of style and elegance to your life. 8. I present to you the stunning 1968 Pontia Catalina, now available for purchase at $14,980. This car is an excellent choice for those who appreciate comfort and style. The 400 cubic inches V8 engine, IC block, and automatic transmission make it an excellent driver's car. The body of the car is in good condition, with some minor defects that do not detract from its overall appearance. The interior is also in excellent condition, clean, and well maintained. Power windows and electrically operated seats work well, and the convertible top lowers and races without any issues. The car is equipped with a powerful air conditioner that blows cold air, and the in-car radio provides a pleasant atmosphere on the road. The exterior is completed with a beautiful convertible top, opening up endless possibilities for cruises and shows. It's worth noting some nuances, such as minor body defects and some peculiarities in the operation of the power windows. However, the owners guarantee excellent driving and are confident that this car will bring you a lot of joy. This 1968 Pontiac Catalina is an excellent choice for those seeking a stylish and reliable car with history. Don't miss your chance to become the owner of this unique car that attracts attention on the road and delivers driving pleasure. Make this distinctive car yours while it's still available. 9. I present to you the unique 1975 Chevrolet Cosworth Vega Hatchback Coupe, now available for purchase at $16,995. This car is a true gem for enthusiasts of rare and collectible vehicles. It is equipped with a special Cosworth engine with a displacement of 122 cubic inches, 4 cylinders, 16 valves, and 2 overhead camshafts. With a 4-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, this car promises you an unparalleled driving experience. The car belongs to a limited series, specifically number 1067 out of 3508 produced. Its mileage is only 38,725 miles, making it even more attractive to collectors and fans of unique models. The black exterior and interior emphasize the character and style of this car. The condition of the car is assessed as excellent, highlighting its careful handling and maintenance since its release. If desired, a build sheet for the car is provided, which can reveal additional details and features of this model. Don't miss your chance to become the owner of this rare 1975 Chevrolet Cosworth Vega, which will undoubtedly attract attention and become a highlight of your collection. Make this exclusive car a part of your history and enjoy every kilometer with it. 10. I present to you a unique opportunity to acquire the magnificent 1966 Chevrolet Malibu Chevelle for the price of $36,000. This masterpiece in the world of automobiles is ready to capture your heart and become the gem of your collection. With this beauty, you not only get external elegance but also amazing technical specifications. The 71,000 miles it has covered confirm that this car is a true time traveler. Equipped with an automatic transmission and a powerful 350cc4 engine, this Chevelle promises you an unparalleled driving experience. Behind the wheel of this car, you will feel the power, style, and unmatched dynamics. The exterior of this car is a true work of art. The blue body color perfectly complements the same blue interior, creating a delightful appearance that will captivate any automotive beauty connoisseur. The technological arsenal includes Willwood 4-wheel disc brakes, Key A1 and Hotchkiss suspension, as well as numerous other enhancements designed to make your journey as comfortable and carefree as possible. New tires and wheels, a premium audio system, aluminum radiator, and air conditioner add extra charm and functionality to this Chevelle. With a fully paid-for car, you can confidently look to the future in the company of this splendid 1966 Chevrolet Malibu Chevelle. Don't miss your chance to bring a touch of luxury and elegance into your life by becoming the owner of this stunning car.